Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the euro gain 0.3% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the dollar fall 0.7% against the yen. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the pound gain 0.7% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Investors dumped Credit Suisse shares and bonds after rival UBS agreed at the weekend to take over the 167-year-old bank for just a fraction of its market value, with hefty backstops from the Swiss government. The US Supreme Court will hear arguments in its first-ever crypto-related case when lawyers for San Francisco-based crypto exchange Coinbase will attempt to convince the 9 justices to pause a pair of class-action lawsuits against the crypto exchange. Mercedes will invest billions of dollars to modernize its plants in China, Germany and Hungary over the coming years, as the car maker prepares to switch to electric vehicles and cut emissions.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US existing home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, at 1000 hours GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 hours GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.